When Excel 2007 was released, Microsoft released a new function called AVERAGEIFS. The AVERAGEIFS function is used to average a set of values when there is more than one condition to be met, any number of conditions between 1 and 127. In B15, I'm going to type equals AV, and then I'm going to double click AVERAGEIFS. The first thing that Excel requires is a range of cells that are to be averaged. This would be B4 to B13, so I'm selecting B4 to B13. I need to lock that range in, so I'll press the function key F4 and comma. The first criteria range is the list of cities, so I'm going to select C4 to C13 and lock it in, comma. The criteria 1 that goes with that criteria range 1 is that they have to match Kawerau in A15, so I'm going to click A15, comma. The second criteria range is D4 to D13, the bedrooms, and I'll lock that in with the function key F4, comma. And the second criteria that goes with the second criteria range, I'll type double quote greater than equal to 2, double quote. So there has to be a number greater than equal to 2 in D4 to D13, comma. My third and final range are the list of garages, so I'm going to highlight E4 to E13 and press the function key F4 to lock it in, comma. And my third and final criteria is double quote yes, double quote. So if there is a yes in E4 to E13, a number greater than equal to 2 in D4 to D13, and a match between A15 Kawerau and C4 to C13, it will average the property prices. Enter. I'll then click on my answer B15, double click my thin cross and fill the answer down.